Hi everyone, Wild West Coast Muscle Saws. Looking at a 372 XPW. That's that 75cc engine. This is a new old stock engine. Never been used, been in storage for years. Anyway, it's got a West Coast build. It's for display purposes only. And I'll fire that up and let you listen to it. Then I'll going to show you that Sylvie razor grind on that chain. Anyway, it's got the buckshot exhaust, big spikes, has the port work done. Just a great running chainsaw. It will be disabled at the end of the video. There's that Sylvie chain right there. I'll try to get you a good clean close-up here of it. Just razor sharp. If you got any questions on these, you know how to get hold of the chainsaw guy.